Hello student, today we will do question number 8 and 9 from exercise 5.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Question is given. Third term means A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is equation 1. And total terms is 50 and last term is 106. It means 50th term is 106. Means A plus 49 D is equal to 106. This is equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, we get A plus 49 D is equal to 106. A plus 2D is equal to 12. If we subtract this, minus it, minus, this will be cut. 47 D is equal to 4, 9. D is equal to 94 by 47. 2. D we have got 2. Putting value of D, putting value of D in 1. We get A is equal to 2D, means 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8. Now we have to find 29th term, means A 29 is equal to A. A is 8 plus 28 into D. D is 2, means 8 plus 56 is equal to 64. This is answer. Now see question number 9. Question number 9 is, if the third and ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? This will be also solved in same way, means A plus 2D is equal to given 4. This is equation 1. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. Now subtracting 2 subtracting 1 from 2, we get A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. A plus 2D is equal to 4. If you subtract this, minus minus minus. Cut 60 is equal to minus 12. D is equal to minus 2. Now we will put the value of D in 1. We get it will put value of the A minus 2 into D. D is equal to minus equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we have got. Now question is which term of this AP is 0? Means 0, suppose this is n terms. So 0 will be A is 8 plus n minus 1. D is minus 2. And then minus 8 is equal to minus 2 n minus 1. Minus, if you cut 2 will bring this side. So n minus 1 is equal to 2 will divide 8. So this will be 4. So n is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So answer will be therefore fifth term. Fifth term. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.